This video is for synthetic substitution. So when we're doing this, you're doing it the same way that we did synthetic division. The only thing is now we're not dividing. Our x is already solved for, so we don't have to worry about solving for x. And the remainder is going to end up being our answer. So we're not looking for an x cubed, an x squared, and an x. We're just looking for a value. So notice I have p of x equals 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus x plus 7, and we want to plug in 2 for x. This is a different way to do this. That way you don't have to worry about order of operations, because we all know we struggle with those from time to time. So what I do is x equals 2, so that goes in my half box. And then I take my coefficients like I'm doing synthetic division. So I have 2, 5, -1, and 7. Leave a space, draw a line. Same process as synthetic division. So I drop the 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. -1 plus 18 is a positive 17. 2 times 17 is 34. 7 plus 34 is 41. Okay, so same process. Now, the difference is the outcome. I'm not looking for a remainder or constant in x and an x squared. I'm just looking for a value. So what I do is I take my remainder, and that's my answer. So I have p, but instead of x, I plugged in 2 for x. So I have p of 2 equals 41. And that would be my answer for this synthetic substitution question. So looking at, I have one more example. So now I have p of x equals x cubed plus 3x squared plus 4, and we want for x to equal -3. Now if I look at p of x, I'm missing my x term. So I have x cubed plus 3x squared, and I'm missing that 0x term plus 4, and we're still plugging in -3 for x. So I'm going to go ahead and plug -3 in my half box. My coefficients are 1, 3, 0, and 4. Skip a space, draw a line. I bring down my first term. -3 times 1 is -3. 3 plus -3 is 0. -3 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is still 0. -3 times 0 is 0. Who would have guessed that? And 4 plus 0 is 4. So again, what I'm looking for in synthetic substitution is this last value that tells me when I plug in -3 for all of the x's, my outcome is 4. So my answer would be p of -3. Again, I replaced x with -3, and it equals 4. And that's how you do synthetic substitution.